Hi guys, now we can see how to draw the uterus histology. A quick overview, look at this corner. The surface of the uterus, which is the luminal surface or the internal surface, is called the endometrium. And then we have something called a stroma, which is still part of the endometrium. Then lots of muscle fibers running in different directions. Like this. Finally, you will have a small connective tissue and a peritoneal layer. That's the perimetrium. You draw a wavy line here that will represent the endometrium, and that endometrium has got lots of invaginations going down. The epithelium is lined by simple columnar epithelium. Okay, now because this is a section, you will also see these invaginations inside the stroma like random tubes. Towards the periphery, you will see lots of smooth muscle cells, but they run in all directions. Some will be cut transversely, so you will see them as circular profile. Some will be in a longitudinal profile, but in different directions. The transversely cut smooth muscles will have a central circular nucleus, whereas the full cells will have an elongated nucleus. You can also complete the nuclei for the epithelial cells. Never forget that. Then draw the main component of the uterus, which is the blood vessel. You will see lots of arteries cut in different planes. These are called the spiral arteries. You can shade the interior in pink. Now look at this mini diagram. Compared to the endometrium, the myometrium is very thick. That means in this picture, the myometrium is all the way down, okay? So we don't really have to worry about drawing a perimetrium here. But if you want just for completion, you can draw a line and label that as a perimetrium with some cells representing the peritoneum. Now comes the important aspect. Whatever we have drawn here, this represents the uterus in a proliferative phase or growth phase. The major difference is that look at the shape of the invagination of the lining epithelium. This is called a gland, and these glands are very narrow and primitive. These are often called pencil glands because they are very long and thin like a pencil. Now remember, P for P, proliferative phase, pencil-shaped glands. Whereas the next stage is a secretory phase where you find all the same details except that in the lining epithelium, the glands are really saccular and dilated, okay, because they are secreting some of the fluid inside.